Alright, in your math notes, open up to your table of contents and number 18. Estimate the multiplier in a division problem. Title your page, then turn to the next blank page and title it Estimate the multiplier in a division problem. Okay, so today we are going to learn some strategies to estimate the multiplier. So to get us started today, we have a little story problem. Joshua cashed a check for $16.79. He asked the teller to give him as many quarters as possible. How many quarters did he get? Well, looking at this problem, going to start by underlining some facts, some key pieces of information. Well, what do I know so far? I know Josh cashed a check for $16.79. I also know that he wants as many quarters as possible. So if Josh started out with $16.79, he's asking the teller to divide that by 25 cents. So essentially, we want to know how many quarters are in $16.79. This is a quarter. I have my decimal point in front of it, right? Okay. What do you remember from last year about dividing a decimal by a decimal? Trey.
Move the decimal over.
Yes. So I'm going to take a look at my multiplier, and I want to make it a whole number. So I'm going to move it 2 places to the right. If I move this one 2 places to the right, I also have to move this one 2 places to the right. Now, I essentially have 1,679 divided by 25. Right, guys? Okay. I'm ready to start dividing. So, off to the side, in my margin, I'm going to list my order. Dad, Mom, sister, brother, Rover. Dad, Mom, sister, brother, Rover. Right now. So divide, multiply, subtract. Oh, my arrow. I meant to put it here. Bring down, and R for remainder. Right, guys? You could also say dumb monkey swing backwards. That's another way to remember it. Okay, so I'm going to start with divide. So I've got 25. Does 25 go into 1?
No.
Does it go into 16?
No.
Does it go into 167?
Yeah.
Okay, so I could put zeros here as placeholders. So, I probably need to do a little helper problem. I want to know how many 25s are in 167. Let me show you guys something to start off. Put your hands down. Sorry. Okay, I'm going to start off to the side with 25 times 5. The reason I'm starting there is 5 is right in the middle of 1 and 10. So it's a nice number to start with. So 5 times 5 is?
25.
Carry the 2. 5 times 2?
10.
Plus 2. Okay. Let's not blurt out. So 125. Can I fit another 25 in there?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm not erasing this helper problem because I might need it later. So underneath it, I'm going to do 25 times 6. And if I do that, those of you who are doing mental math right now, what will that give me? Sophie? 150. Good job. Okay. Can we fit another 25? No. So I'm going to put a 6 right here. And I know 6 times 25 is 150. Oh, so now I've divided and I've multiplied. What's next? Joey.
Subtract.
Our favorite thing, we're going to subtract. Okay. Everybody, 7 minus 0? 6 minus 5? 1 minus 1?
0.
Okay, I subtracted. Bring down. We have a 9. I'm going to draw my arrow. Now, I'm not ready for remainder. I'm going back up to divide. How many 25s are in 179? Johanna.
7.
I'm going to do a little helper problem to see if Johanna is correct. If I'm adding another 25 on, I'll have 175. Very good. So I'm going to put my 7 above the 9. And now I'm going to multiply. I know 7 times 25 is 175. I'm going to subtract. 179 minus 175 gives me 4. Okay. So I subtracted. I have nothing to bring down, but Ms. Shaver said I have to write my answer as a decimal. What can I do? What can I do, Jackson?
You could bring up the decimal at the end of 9, put it at the end of 7, and then put 2 zeros after 9.
We're going to start with 1 0. Okay, so I've brought my decimal point up. I added a 0. Now I'm going to bring down the 0. How many 25s are in 40?
1.
How many, Becca?
1.
1. So I divided. Now I'm going to multiply. What is 1 times 25?
25.
25. Next up, subtract. 0 minus 5? Trick question, can't do it. Borrow from your 4. 10 minus 5.
5.
Minus. 10 minus 5 is 5. 3 minus 2.
1.
So I have 15. I want to go to 2 decimal places. I'm going to add a 0 and bring it down. 25 goes into 150. How many times, Selma? If I look at my helper problem, I know 6 times. Goes in there evenly, doesn't it? Okay. So the answer to my problem is 67 and 1600 quarters. Turn and talk. Does that make sense to you?
No.
Oh. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Let's hear some ideas. Kyle?
I say no because it says how many quarters is possible, and you can't cut a quarter into 6.
Okay. I like your answer. Johanna?
So the answer would be 67 because 67 quarters are possible. So I actually really get this. I learned that last year and I totally understood it. So pretty sure I did good on my homework.
So, looking at our problem, 67 and 1600 doesn't make sense. But we do know 67 quarters does. So our answer is 67 quarters. All right. If you are in the orange circle group, you may head to math facts. If you are in the pink square group, tear out your 2 pages and let's get started. Teacher group, meet me at the table, ready to go. Hands-on group, you have cards and Soar to Success.
I need to give you this.